Pop the bubbles! Pop the bubbles! Pop those bubbles, buddy.
Get 'em. That's Jake.
Jake. Jake! Jake, can you wave?
Jake.
Oh, he's preoccupied at this point. But he waved, believe it or not. I will. Happy Easter.
When is it? Do you know what you're having? You have a boy.
Yeah.
Aw, when's he due?
June 15th.
Aw. Hi, Jake.
Jake, can you wave?
Hi. Look
Good
at the
boy.
bubbles.
He's busy.
The bubbles are coming. Go get the bubbles off. He's cute.
Thanks. Yeah, he's a piece of work.
Yeah.
Just like his uncle.
They'll be buddies, right?
Happy Easter. Whoa, the doggies! Everything all at once.
Fall down on his own is quite fine.
He just likes to like get close to him and then
They're used to it.
he gets scared anyway. He doesn't actually pet them usually.
Hi, buddy. Incredible Hulk. Yeah.
Dog! Say dog?
How old is he?
19 months.
19 months.
Yeah.
Not much younger than my little one.
Oh yeah?
I'm
How
a
old?
21 month old.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, these guys are used to.
They're used to a small little guy.
Yep, they are. She